everybody, how you guys feeling today?
So how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
For today's video, I finally got the chance, finally got the time actually to install my very own brand new clutch master cylinder and clutch slave cylinder. So without further ado, let me say thank you to the homie Terrence, aka T-Box Evo _8 on Instagram for sending me this. He hit up Randy first, and Randy was like, yo man, some dude want to send you something. I was like, why wouldn't he just message me then? I don't know. But he did after a while, and then like, I got it. So appreciate you, Terrence, man. It's always dope to have, you know, supporters of the channel that want to, like, I don't know, do stuff like to send me things like that. Like that's honestly amazing. Like, I didn't ask for it. It's just, it's dope that you guys care. You know what I'm saying? Like, no Drake mode today. No Drake mode. Stay strong, brother. Stay strong. And to start this video off with some good news, I got my tripod piece back from Randy. So now I can put on a tripod and, you know what I'm saying, make the video actually a video and not some boring stuff that you guys are accustomed to from... I was gonna throw shade out a lot. Never mind. I'm sorry. So what we have right here is the part. I don't know if the brand is called Equal Under Pressure. It says distributed by Daikin Clutch. I have no idea what's the brand of it. But we got the master, and they also sent me a clutch line, but you know, we run JB Tune clutch lines over here.
Super facts!
Also sent me the most important thing that I think I needed, is the slave cylinder, and that's pretty much it. I don't know the price for this stuff. Shouldn't be too expensive. So this should be around like 40 bucks for both, if not less or a little bit more. We're gonna start with the master first because it's easier due to that it's being underneath the clutch pedal, so which means I don't have to be out in this hot ass sun. You know what's crazy? Every time I do like an install video of a part, I somehow always like treat it as if I'm doing a how-to video. I don't know why I do that, because I just call myself walking you guys how to do this in case you don't know how to do it. But I mean, I guess it works. You guys can learn something, and I can teach you guys how to properly not do your car right and stuff like that. So I guess it's a win-win situation for neither of us, I guess. I don't know. So if you're ever looking to do a clutch master replacement on your Acura, Integra, or Honda Civic, it should look something like this. You should have a freaking clutch fluid line, and then your clutch reservoir, and you have your clutch line. This is a 10mm. All you have to do is twist that to your left, cause lefty loosey, my G. And you got two things right here. Those are 12mm bolts on the inside. I'm gonna show you guys the inside process, but on the outside, all it is really is a 10mm. And so on the inside of things right here, you have two bolts. I can't really point it because the way my hand is positioned and my body position right now, I can't really show you, but there's two bolts. There's one right there. You can't even see my, oh, okay, yeah, you can. There's one right, okay, god damn it. I can't really show you guys the bolts on the master cylinder due to no room, because hashtag fixed seat, and I got it already scooted back and I still don't have the room to show you guys. But when I take it out, then obviously I'll show you how I did it and stuff like that, if you care to know. If not, then, well, that's extra content so I can throw some more ads on this video. I'm just playing. No, I'm not.
5 seconds later. Wakanda.
Crazy Florida, it's about to start raining. I already got raindrops. I got the bolts off and I lost like one bolt, and I lost two bolts actually. I lost the banjo bolt and I lost one of the bolts that bolt up to the master cylinder to the firewall. So ripperino me. Now it's raining, so I gotta close the hood. I just rinsed the car off today. Like, look at the shine on the paint, bro. I just rinsed it off today, son. So I got the old master out. Doesn't look too bad of condition actually. Like, the boot's still good. It wasn't leaking or anything. But it is out. So there's two holes that hold the master cylinder in place. You have one here and you have one over there. They're 12mm bolts. All I gotta do is loosen that, take out the cotter pin banjo bolt that's inside the clutch pedal. You guys probably confused, but for all my Honda guys that know what I'm talking about, then yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Or for any guy that ever did a clutch master cylinder on an Acura, Honda, or Toyota, or whatever. But out with the old, and where is the new? I don't know where I put it. So out with the old, and with the new, boy. So now what you want to do is just fish this through the firewall, and god damn it. But that's pretty much it. Just like that. And all you want to do from there is just put on the back of your clutch line, hook up back the hose for the clutch stuff so it can feed the master and the slave and all that hoop jazz. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Hey, y'all ever heard of Eric the Car Guy? Well, hey, Zosh, the car dude. I would say the N-word, but I don't want to get demonetized. Hey, y'all ever heard of, Alright, so the master is done. Now what I gotta do right now is, as you guys can see, I've already started because it's leaking. Now it's time to replace the slave cylinder. It's a 10mm, same thing as that for the clutch line, hard line, or whatever. and then two, I think 14mm bolts on the bottom, or two 12mm bolts at the bottom. Can't remember. But yeah, it's too difficult. I wish I had the zoom lens to show you guys. But under this big thing right here, right there, there's two bolts underneath that we have to do. You can't even get it from that side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna just tackle it real quick and slave off, and in the process of getting the slave off, I also broke my V-band clamp for my downpipe. Now, I had to loosen up the downpipe so I can get access to really take out the bolt for the slave cylinder. And in the process, I snapped the piece off. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, damn man. Look at the grime, look at the grime. I can't wait to pull the motor out and freshen up this engine, man. Make it look all pretty again, and I can install my downstar stuff. So that should be coming in the near future, probably when I do my clutch, because my clutch is starting to slip. Out with the old, in with the new. Slave is in, line is in. I've already bet it a little bit. Now I have my brother in the car, he's gonna help me bleed it, get some more pedal stiffness. All right, so go down, come back up. I don't know why I get stuck there, but clutch is bled, boy. Got a nice little stiffy pedal. Yeah! Right, so that should hopefully fix my freaking problems, man, where I can't get in the gear sometimes like that. The shifter did help a lot. The shifter really helped a lot. Now it was time for me to replace the master and the slave. Real quick shout out to the homie Terrence, man, for supplying your boy with the master and the slave. He didn't have to go out his way to do that. I was gonna do it eventually. Like, my thing is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But it was broken, but I still got my car to go into gear and stuff like that, but it wasn't really broke. He just looked out for me, so that's pretty awesome. That's pretty dope of him to do that. So Terrence, if you're watching this, bro, I know you a loyal subscriber for like the past, what, 2 years now? Thank you so much, man, I appreciate it. Now, is it just me, or does my window look a tad bit too naked? I wonder what I can install that would make my window not feel so naked, and also make me a ricer again. If you guess window net, you got that right. I think I'm gonna install my window net again. I got another race quip window net. This time I got a smaller one, not too obnoxious. I got like a little small face thing, something, huh? Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Zosh, you just got your car painted, bro. Why'd you want to install a net that look like a true ricer? You haven't even been to the track yet. Don't even look like a ricer, bro. Don't do it. Honestly, you guys are right. I am going to look like a ricer, but I feel like it'll look dope. Kind of bored right now. I went by Home Depot last night to get the supplies that I needed to install the window net and stuff like that. But, so, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Why not put it on and see how it looks? If I like it, I like it. If you guys like it, that's dope. If you don't like it, that's still dope. It's just, I don't know, I'm bored. I got extremely lucky because I found an old bolt. So you can see right here where it snapped off on the old one. So I just found one of my old clamps, took the nut off that, and boom, we got my downpipe back on. So that is awesome. But now we're gonna fast forward to installing my new window net, baby. If you wanna know the size, I have a 15 by 18 Race Quip window net, because Race Quip is the OGs. I should have my seatbelt harnesses coming soon that are actually Race Quip. Shout out to the homie Kev for putting me on and helping the brother out. And I know I probably look like Frank Ocean in this tight shirt, but look, man, it said large on the package. It was a good deal. I couldn't refuse. It was 10 Hanes shirts for like $6, and I see why nobody bought them. They can't fit the damn things, even if you were. I'm a medium, and I bought large just in case, and I'm like, what is this, bro? Like, I feel like I'm Frank Ocean, man.
A tornado flew around my room.
So this is everything you pretty much need to install it. You need some key rings, some bungee cord, a regular black cord, maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Some 18 gauge aluminum wire, and your window net. So now to give you guys a quick overview on how this works, let me do this. So this is your net. One individual key ring goes in each loop, and then you use the wire to make like little bendy thingies. Huh? I hate explaining how to do things because I either confuse myself or I confuse the viewers, which is my homies, which is you all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mock everything up and then just show you guys how to do it and show you the procedure on how to install and stuff like that. So with your aluminum wire, you wanna make like little hooks, like if you're hooking up a picture or something on the wall. And that's what I did. They're not the best looking hooks. They're pretty garbage if you ask me, but we're gonna see if it works. I'm not too sure if it works yet, but we're gonna find out right now. So what you do is basically just remove your weather strip from up top. You just get out your way. And you just basically, all you gotta do is hook it, and that's pretty much all you do. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Oh damn, it fell off the hook. Hold on. Ugh. This one fell off the hook. Hold on. And that's it, my boys. That's how you do it. Just put that back on. Now, this is where your bungee cord comes in. So the bungee cord is gonna loop through right here, through here, and right here. So bungees are a little too short, so I'm glad yesterday I picked up this string too. It's 24 cents for this string. I think these were like $2, maybe $3 for like the whole little pack. That was like $4, and those keyrings are 97 cents each. So I spent like a total of like $11 last night. Not too bad to have a cool little ricey net to make people really call me a ricer. And voila, your freaking race net, race car stuff is done. So now the net is back. The net is back. I need to get a longer string. I ran out of string. That's why it looks like the way it looks. I ran out of string right here. So if I have more string, I can pull it, and I just broke it. See? Gotta go to Home Depot, get some longer string, but you guys seen it. It's complete. You could just rock it like this and have it like flowing or whatever, but it's better to have the string on there so it looks cooler. But yeah, that's done. Ricer Zosh is back. So am I a ricer yet? Since I have yet to race my car on the track, I don't have a cage. There's literally no purpose for me having a race net in my car. So am I a ricer? Comment down below your ricer thoughts. I don't know. I just think it looks cool. That's all it is. I just think it looks cool. And that right there is what I call a Zosh video, baby. Thank you guys for watching. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, or skin color, then please do the follow. Why do I say that shit? Smack that like button for your boy for the one time. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, my camera's dying. If you would like a Marauder shirt or Marauder hoodie, it's out, son. First link down below. It is out. Go cop it. And then send me pictures that you copped it. So then when you do cop it, and I'll be like, yo, okay, what's your address? I'm going to send you a little something for showing support for your Benoy. Alright? You know what I'm saying? That's how I roll. If you support me, I support you. So you know what I'm saying? You get my merch, and I'm going to send you something. They're going to be like, damn, Zosh, why you had to send me that, bro? You ain't have to do that. I'm like, that's what I do for my dogs out here in this struggle, cuz. Thank you guys for watching. I have a surprise video for you guys this upcoming Thursday and Friday, so be prepared for that, cuz. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.